I think they're getting some inspiration. They're in a setting with their peers and they're feeding off of each other. So over the last 3 days, they've had chances to speak up about their own stories, about their lives. Hearing each other talk about each other's stories has unlocked a creativity and unlocked an encouragement among each other. And so right now, what they're getting out of it is a chance to express themselves freely. The individuality, the creativity, the connection to what we've already talked about in the past. And it feels like a tangible expression of some themes that we've been building on over these last couple of days.
My name's Jeremy, Jeramie. So I feel like my shoe, obviously you see a lot of it's sketched out, but at the same time, there's a lot of red and it's supposed to be blood. I call it impulsive creativity. Just going with it as I do it. Just adding on, I get an idea, I want to throw it in there, I'll put it on. If I don't like something, I'll improvise, work around it, try and incorporate it into my shoe. I messed up a few times. And that's actually how I came up with the red design on it, because I spilled red paint on it. And I was like, hey, I can work around that. And that's how I got the design. I messed up right here. It the paint fell and it went all over the side. So I decided to add a bunch more splatter and make it look more natural. Be like it was intentional.
Malachi, Malachi. What I designed was not what I just thought. It just came bandana type style right here. And then just I just try to make it different, unique, to me. Cause I like blue, light colors, and I like dark colors. So I just added both and it just came, I don't know, it just happened. Yeah, I'm proud of my design. I got the chance to make my own shoe, which was cool. And I got to design it. I like the whole concept, the whole idea, it's unique. Nobody else is wearing this shoe. Nobody else, just me. So I like it.